Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with Avant Agenda's May subscription to the pens, pencils, and more. And she always gives you a little card so that you can know what each pen is, but also so that you can test them. And then she sends this clear envelope to keep your pens in and stuff. Love these envelopes. We got some of the clips, and they have rose gold, and then they are gray with a grid on them. Super cute. And then the pens. So the first one is the Pentel Energel Clean Gel Pen, which I know is this one. And this is a classic favorite pen with incredible fast drying ink, excellent for lefties. You'll receive a blue-black ink with a blue-black body, or black ink, classic pink body. And I love this pen because it is a needle point. And I'm not gonna swatch this one just because it has a little thing on it. I don't want to open it up yet. And then we have the Uniball One Gel Pen, 0.38. The ink in this pen contains pigment particles that stay on the paper surface, making colors appear bolder. You'll receive a blue-black ink or Bordeaux black ink in a white body. And then it has a little clip on the end. Now I am gonna take the little thing off this because I want to see what it means that it has pigment particles. Uniball. So it's like a deep wine color. Super pretty. And writes really well. So I like that one. And then we have Dionishi brush twin marker dual tips, a fine tip and a brush tip with durable flexible nylon brush that allows you to create medium or bold strokes by changing brush pressure. Blendable water-based ink. You will receive one color, either turquoise, gray blue, or peacock blue. And I think this is turquoise. So let's look at the brush end. So my brush needs a lot of help. But super cute. So there is the brush pen. And then we have the M&G, by the way, mechanical pencil. This is a pencil to match our, it says this is a pen to match our best selling pen from M&G. This pencil is sophisticated and comes in a neutral tone to match any aesthetic. And it is 0.5. I really like the small lead. And this is an M&G pencil. I really like that. That writes well. And then it looks like we have M&G pencil refill lead in 0.5. And I think you get 20 pieces in here. I wonder how this opens. Oh, super cute. So you can put that on a... Okay. So, and then of course we have the plaid binder clips. So that is the Avant Agenda Pens, Pencils, and More for this month. I know that on Friday at noon she has some new releases coming out, so don't miss those with Avant Agenda. And I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.